put a new tune on, and this one seems to work. So we got air fuel is good, it's learning. Coolant temperature is staying steady, so that obviously it's cooling, that's fine. You got fan 1 on, and it's staying there, so that's nice. You just, hang on. Oil pressure, 33, 34, which is fine, it's low RPM, right? 14.8, 14.7, so air fuel is good. Coolant temperature again, 200. All right, guys, this is a good sign. So here's my all the lights are green, so we might be able to make the show if I get the hood on this thing, so we'll see. All right, guys, yeah, so good, a good day before Ubering. Let's go.